Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple mesh stitch, so keep on watching. For this tutorial you're going to need some yarn and a crochet hook. Here I'm using an H, but you can use any crochet hook that your yarn calls for, and we're going to start by making our slip knot. And for this particular crochet stitch, we're going to need multiples of 6 plus 5. So I chained 35 for my sample swatch. So just remember to make any number of chains multiples of 6 plus 5. And here I have my 35 chains made already, and we are going to start making our first row. So to start our first row, we are going to make 1 double crochet from our 4th chain from our hook. So we're going to make our first double crochet, and then we are going to make an additional double crochet on our next stitch. So here's our double crochet, alright, so now we are going to chain 3, and we are going to skip our next 3 stitches. So skip 1, 2 and 3, and make a double crochet on that 4th chain here. So there should be a chain space right there. Now make another double crochet on the next chain, and another double crochet on that next chain. So you should have a total of 3 double crochets after that chain 3 space. So that's going to be our pattern repeat for this first row. So after this you're going to chain 3 and make 3 double crochets on the next 3 stitches. Here I forgot to chain 3, but I fixed that later on. So just remember, chain 3 and to make 3 double crochets on that next 3 stitches. Okay, so after you make that 3 stitches or 3 double crochets, you chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and make 3 double crochets. Go ahead and finish this first row, and you should end your row with 3 double crochets. Okay, and that's how you know that you have the right amount of chains made. Alright, so I will see you at the end of this row. Okay guys, so I'm at the end of my first row, and you should have 5 chain 3 spaces, so 1 2 3 4 5, and you should have 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 double crochets clusters. Okay, so let's start our second row here. Now we are going to chain 1 2 3 4 and 5, and we are going to turn our work, and on this first chain 3 space we are going to make 3 double crochets. Alright, so this is how it should be looking like. So now we are going to chain 3 again. And make 3 double crochets on that next chain 3 space. Alright guys, so that's going to be our repeat for this second row. You'll be making 3 double crochets on the chain 3 space, chain 3, and make 3 double crochets on the next chain 3 space. And I will show you how to finish the end of round 2. So continue doing that, and I will see you back. Alright, so here I made my last 3 double crochets on that last chain 3 space, and to end the row you are going to chain 2 and make a double crochet on top of that chain 3 that we did at the beginning of our first row. So make a double crochet on that top of chain 3, and here you should have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chain 3 spaces, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3 double crochet clusters. Okay, and now for our final row repeat, I'm gonna show you how to make row 3. Alright friends, so chain 3 and turn your work, and for row 3 you're going to make 2 double crochets on that first chain space, because our chain 3 does count as is a stitch on this row. Okay, so after you make your 2 double crochets, we are going to chain 3 and then we are going to make 3 double crochets in that chain 3 space. So that is our repeat, you guys. Basically it's like the other rows, you just chain 3 and make 3 double crochets on our chain 3 space. So repeat the pattern until you reach the very last chain 3 space, and I will show you how to finish the end of row 3, okay? So here I'm in my last chain 3 space, and I'm going to make 2 double crochets into that chain 3 space, and on that top of chain 3 I'm going to make my last double crochet. Right, so here you have it. And to continue working with this stitch, simply repeat rows 2 and 3 alternating. So after row 3 I'm going to repeat row 2, and then I will repeat row 3. So just alternate those 2 rows back and forth to get the desired length that you want. So there you have it, guys, this really simple and easy crochet mesh stitch. You only need to know double crochets and chains, and I think it's perfect for market bags. And I actually have a produce bag pattern made with this stitch, and if you want to check it out, I will have it in the link below in the description box so you can check it out in my blog. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.